two-stroke thunder on dirt. There's nothing quite like the raw, screaming power of a perfectly tuned 125 ripping through the track. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 Yamaha YZ125, the legendary two-stroke that continues to define motocross racing at its purest level. Design. Yamaha has refined the YZ125's aggressive styling once again. The slim, race-focused bodywork allows effortless rider movement, while the lightweight bilateral Geam aluminum frame keeps weight impressively low. Updated graphics give it a fierce presence at the starting gate. Every angle screams competition ready. Performance. The heart of this machine is its punchy 125cc two-stroke engine. Responsive power delivery rewards skilled throttle control, while the lightweight chassis makes cornering intuitive and precise. The KYB suspension handles jumps, ruts, and rough terrain with confidence. For developing race skills or competing in the 125 class, this platform remains unmatched. Features and technology. Yamaha includes fully adjustable front forks and rear shock, allowing riders to fine-tune handling for any track condition. The electric start adds convenience without sacrificing weight savings. Durable Dunlop tires and wave-style brake rotors round out the package nicely. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 keeps the two-stroke dream alive for racers and enthusiasts alike. Pure, lightweight, and thrilling. It's motocross in its most essential form. What's your take on two-strokes? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest moto content. Catch you next time!